Hi guys, and welcome to today's video, which is on the iPad 2018. Now before I start, I'm actually traveling and I'm in Munich at the moment, and I was at the airport and I thought to myself, let's have a look at the iPad and other bits and pieces, and I thought to myself, it's at a reasonable price and it's a reasonable size, and I thought, yeah, let's go for it. I don't know why that thought came into my head. I am, as you may know already, I'm a total Windows geek. I've been a Windows geek for a very long time. I don't even like the term Windows geek. I've used Apple Macs in the past. I've used them at school. I've used them professionally, but I don't think they are as good as a standard Windows machine, or a Windows machine with a bit of extra power, and the power in a Windows machine is usually a lot better than what you get from an Apple device, and so that's one of the reasons why I've stayed away from it. And yeah, so now I've got a few things to do within my business, and one of them requires an iPad where I'm going to be creating an app for myself and for any of my users, and I'm just going to see if it works on an iPad, and then I'm going to have to buy a shitload of iPads. Don't know where I'm going to get the money from for those, but if I can prove the concept, then that's a good thing. Okay, so I went to duty free. This is bloody Dixon's, and I got myself an Apple branded smart cover. It's not very smart. It's like £44. It's complete shit, I'll be honest with you. All it is, it covers your screen and it gives you the ability, throw that away, gives you the ability to just prop up your device. You don't know how bad this is for me. I do not like Apple products for several reasons. I asked the guy at the shop how much RAM this has, and he says that Apple don't release the actual RAM sizes for any of their devices, apart from laptops obviously and whatnot. And I thought to myself, oh shit, should I actually bother? Could just go and get a nice lovely Samsung Galaxy device, and that will work, you know, better. It will be like multitasking and everything. But all the cool kids use these, or use Apple products, iPads, iPad Pros, whatever. So I need to get into the game, which is a shame. You know, you can't beat them, so I'm joining them. Oh my god. Should I open it? Alright, so this is a pencil. No, it's not a pencil. That's how thin it is apparently, and that's how tall it is, I guess. So this is the 120 gigabyte version of the iPad 6th generation with Wi-Fi. Ding. So it includes an iPad, lightning to USB cable, and a USB power adapter. Not all features available in the areas. What the hell? Additional information. Oh, fuck you. Ooh, sorry. Requires Apple ID for some features. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love this. Battery life and charge cycles vary with use. Sorry. Check this out. Battery life and charge cycles vary with use and settings. Battery may eventually need replacement. Interesting. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Other items marked here in model. Okay, so this has got a model number of A1893. That doesn't mean anything to me. Alright, so how am I going to open this? Alright, see, Apple is known for their good packaging, and let's see how good it is. I'm actually doing this on the bed. There's a desk there that I can use, but can't be asked. So here we go. Unboxing begins. So I'll be doing a review on it of what I think, and if it's any good for productivity and what have you, and all that stuff. Come on, here's a good Apple. It's tight like a tiger. There we go. Okay, so there's the inside of the box, and there is the device, and you've got this little thing here to pull it out. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it here for now. So here I have a cable. Disgusting. Some warranty cards and crap, I guess. Oh no, it's a quick setup guide. I don't need that. Oops, I've lost it. Oh god, I hate these weird. Okay, so basically this, and I don't think there's anything else in there. So what you do, you go like that and put it in. Okay, so I'm taking this off. Bloody room service is gonna love me. I've got a bloody mess everywhere. Come on, there's a good little. To be honest with you, the packaging is just normal. I don't think it's innovative or anything like that. It's just packaging. Okay, so Olay. Cool. So I'm going to charge this baby up, and we're going to see how it performs. Let's just see if there's anything else in the box. They don't give you much for your money. No. Okay, so I don't know if I should keep this. I'll keep it. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this unboxing video of a Windows user buying his first iPad. Actually, I should show this to you, shouldn't I? So there it is. It's the space grey version, because I like space and I like grey. Ah, it's gonna get scratched. I need to get one of those scratchy things. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Let's throw everything away. Shall we see if it's got any charge? How do you switch this bad boy on? Alright, there you go. And action. Oh, it's got a headphone jack. Fucking awesome. Pardon my French, I keep swearing. There you go, Apple logo. Charging. We need to charge this baby. Right, so first things first. The size of it's okay. It's hard to hold straight away. It's hard to hold. I don't want to touch the screen, so I'm touching it from the side of the bezel, and it's like, oh no, it's gonna fall. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, okay. Come on. Hello, press home to open. Alright, I'm gonna set this up, and I'm sure you don't want to see a setup video of this thing, but you choose your bloody country, your language and your country. What country am I from? Come on. Come on. The UKKKK. Taking a while, isn't it? Where are you? Yay, United Kingdom. Setting language. Come on, you're meant to be faster than this. Oh, 81% battery life. That's really good. What's this? Quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running nearby. No, I want to skip it. Okay, I'm just going to connect to the hotel Wi-Fi. I'm accepting the terms and conditions. Way, and there we have it. We are on the line. It never asked me for a username and password. That's brilliant. Oh, it may take a few minutes to activate your device. What's this? Sorry, just move that out of the way. Touch ID. Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID. I should use that, shouldn't I? Place your finger. Lift your finger. Place your finger. Oops, you clicked. Okay, so place your finger. Lift your finger. 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 Place your finger. I don't think it's going to work. Really? How many times do you need to do this? Lift your finger. Place your finger. Adjust your grip. Keep going to capture the edges of your print. Continue. What? Yeah, I know about. Okay, so here we go. Alright, this is just annoying. I bet it's not going to work. Create a passcode. Don't look at this. Oh shit, I put the wrong password in. I've got nothing to restore. Okay, go. Okay, set up a new iPad. I don't know what my Apple ID is. I do have one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. So tune in and find out what I think of this device as a Windows user. So far, it's pretty much like setting up any other device. Not happy about using an Apple ID. I've got an Apple ID, but that's just for podcasting. Anyway, see how it goes, and I'll see you shortly.